Why are your Amazon ads losing money? So I will show you exactly the 5 reasons why your Amazon ads are losing money and your Amazon ads are drawing your wallet. There is 5 exact solutions to go from your chaos situation, because your ads is like this right now, to your ideal situation that is order and clarity, so that you make profit, you don't burn money. Reason one, there is poor targeting. Poor targeting for different reasons, but the poor targeting is burning your spend. You are casting too wide your ads, or you don't have specific targets that are relevant to you, or you're not targeting the BOFU, the most relevant targets, the one with the most buy intent and relevancy. The solution for this is stop auto ads if you are only using them. Auto ads are incredibly good. They are good for start. There is good reason to use them, but you have problem long term that your Amazon ads are burning too much money. You need to check other strategies that are reliable on more targeted targets. So not wide targets, not chaotic targeting, because auto ads have a very wide target, and Amazon is taking care of the targets. And you control targets also based on bidding. Sometimes you can spend more on the best target, but auto ads are limiting you here. So you need to use instead manual control. Manual control can be exact targets, phrase targeting, broad targeting with negative, as in competition targeting. There is so many strategies. If you don't know all of them, you can go on my YouTube channel and watch more of my videos. You can also book a meeting with me, or you can go below and there is a free guide to set up all of these. In this way, you will gonna be spending less, control spending on very specific targeted targets. The reason two is irrelevant clicks that are killing profitability. So, as I told you, there is a target problem, but also there is a search term problems, because yes, you have the targets, there is different kind of targets, but at the end, the targets are bringing you to search terms. But if a target is good, but the search terms are bad because you don't use the negative keywords, for example, you're gonna kill profitability because you're burning the spend on bad clicks. So search terms that are draining your budget and not making you sell. So the solution number two is audit the keywords and cut the dead weight. You need to do audit of the keyword. Are those generating sales? Yes or no? You need to validate them with clicks or intellectually. There is a system to intellectually validate them. Then you decide if to keep or pause. You need to do it with software. So usually there is softwares that you need to use them to apply this system. You can go below. There is the guide explaining you which one of softwares. And there is also problem number 3, that is negative keywords. If you're not using negative keywords in your automatic, it's a big problem. If you're not using negative keywords on exact targeting, is not a problem. If you're not using negative keywords on broad targets, it's a problem. On phrase can be a problem, can be not a problem. So you need to use negative keywords wisely. There is targets that need them, targets that don't need them. Negative keywords also are negative targets. Like, for example, if you have as in campaigns, you need to use negative keywords. If you have a keyword campaign, you need to use as in targets and negative. It's very complex, but the point is you need to have clarity on the strategy, and you need to use the things that I told you. Right target, right search terms, negative keywords used wisely, because otherwise you are basically eating on the bad searches, and you can limit it very easily. So you can see the leaks if you use negative keywords correctly. The negative keywords are these blue things, are blocking your funnel from leaking, because before it's leaking, the search terms, best search terms, are sucking away your budget. In this way, you can block with the negative targets, negative exact, negative ASINs, negative keywords, etc. You can block the waste. So the reason number 4 is click-through rate and conversion rate problem. So you can have the best ads, but if you're not getting the right clicks with the right percentage of click-through rate, you are not basically getting traffic. And to optimize the click-through rate, I will show you later the reason, the solution is basically need to optimize what you see on the main Amazon page, that is image, title, insert, price, price per unit, review rating, coupon discounts, and coupon and discounts, quantity discount. All this stuff optimize the click-through rate. When people click over it, you need to optimize the conversion rate. To optimize the conversion rate, you need to optimize all the main images, especially the 1, 2, 3, 4 images, the full title, bullet points. Then you need to optimize the second part of the page, the third part of the page. So A+ content, video in the A+ content. You need to optimize again price point, price per unit, review count, Q&A. So all these sections are usually one big problem for Amazon ads. So if you think that your Amazon ads are not performing because it's only ads problem, it's not at all. You have a listing problem sometimes and you need to solve it. So the solution is audit your click-through rate, audit your conversion rate, fix the issues because there is a customer journey to fix it. Is one of our processes is the Amazon customer journey optimization. When you optimize all of that, your ads are gonna bring traffic that is bringing sales right to your pocket, to your wallet. So you need to select the targets, and also you need to make sure to match the target with the click-through rate and the conversion rate. So what is the best click-through rate? And so now there is another problem, is matching. One of the reasons why you're losing money with your Amazon ads is there is no match between the search terms and the listing. So there is a bounce. So people get on your search term. Some bad search terms should not be here, as I told you before. But if good terms are not converting, there is a problem. Like why they're not converting, you should make sure that the product is matching the search term and also the listing is matching the search term. So there is this sequence, search term, product, search term match, and then the message. So all the listing need to optimize. You need to optimize all this funnel and need to be very smooth. So like water, your client should be able to naturally go through the listing and buy because it's the right product, is the right message. The listing is telling them exactly what they want, right price, right features, right quality, a higher price for the good features that you offer, communicating very well the features, and that's gonna bring sales on the search term. And if you do this optimally, you have organic sales, right? But also the ads that are going to bring in you traffic are going to convert much better. So solution 5, guaranteed relevancy. You need, as you see in the picture, this is a not matching search term with product listing. There is like a mismatch, like pieces are not matching together, right? Listing is not matching with the product, is not matching with the search term. You need to have a tease instead. Search term needs perfectly fit inside the product listing, and they need to perfectly fit inside the product itself. Dayparting also is an advanced feature. So sometime I want to be very specific. So this is one help, is a secret weapon, but it's not the only weapon that you can use, and sometimes it's not necessary. So you need to fix all the previous step before, but after that, if nothing is working, there is also Dayparting that is a very advanced system to do that. To do that, you need to use AdLabs, is a software that we use. You can search the tutorial on YouTube. We use that and we love the software to make everything more profitable. And this is the system, the steps, the solutions that I told you that make sure that one of our clients added 200% profit in 30 days and another client in 2 months added 400% revenue. And we have other clients with similar results. If you want to know how we do, there is a free guide, the link below on our website or in our YouTube description. You go there, you get it for free. There is a guide to in 24 hours to double profitability of your ads very easily. Is I think 24 steps amazing advanced steps that we use with our clients. Or you can book a meeting to get a plan for free. I will do the audit to you, tell you exactly what you need to do for free. You don't need to buy anything, but that's the best we can give you for free. So see you in the next video. Subscribe to get more videos regarding Amazon PPC expert tips.